What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is the day we're going to shop for new rims and tires for my 2019 Honda Accord. And right now we're just on the way there. I'm actually running late, and my appointment's at 11. It's already like what, 11:08. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get some footage if they let me, and after that I'm gonna show you the process if they let me as well, and I'll show you what we will come up with. So right now I'm just on the way there, and we'll see how everything goes. Okay guys, we made it. So I'm just gonna record a little bit what they have, and I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me. Damn, look at these. Are these even stocks? They have an Honda logo on it. So, well, they also have a gloss black for those people who's like a big baller and then don't want to do the chrome delete or powder coat it. You get it, they have it. Especially if you're from New York City. And they also have lug nuts, airlift suspensions. I really want this if I get an M4. As far as CS and suspensions, what do you guys think? I like this one. But actually, no, not that one. I like this one. Let's see. Should I go 19s, 18s, 20s? I've actually seen this on a silver Accord too. It looks nice, but it wouldn't go with my theme. So most likely, who knows? Niche. Damn, so many good rims over here. I don't even know what I want. Or should I get a BMW? Ooh, Bertinis. I want one of those. I want one of those soon. Damn. Stands? Is it stands? It's Bertini stands. Damn. So nice. Alright guys, so I've already chose my rims, and right now we're just waiting for them to finish one car, and unfortunately I can't go in the shop to record. But what you saw earlier on the clip, that's just like some of it. They have a lot more. You can check them out on Instagram, EUDM Sport, and also if you want, you could speak to Chris. They'll give you pricing forward to whatever you need. And if you're from New York, then yeah, they're actually located by Greenpoint in between Long Island City and Brooklyn. So right now I'm just like waiting, and I'll show you guys for the final look. What's up guys? So I was originally gonna record the same day where I got the rims, but that day it started pouring, and then the week after that, that week and the week after that, it started raining. So right now it's actually sunny, but then it was crappy still. It was raining, like scattered rains. If you're from New York, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm about to show you the rims right now. Alright guys, so this is what the rim look like, and I'm running 245, yeah, 245 35 by 19s for the tires, and for the rim wise I have 19 by 8.5, so it's not actually gloss black. From afar it looks like gloss black from right here, but if you see up close, it's actually a two-tone one. Right over here it's matte black with matte chrome slash bronze, and it's from Oneuplighting, and I actually like it. So right now, like, you can't really see the brake dust with it, like compared to the stock ones, which I actually like. And these are special colored ones, special order. It took me like 2 weeks to get it, but I'm really happy with my purchase. So that's the full look on the car right over here. So there's that, and I'm really happy with my purchase, and I'm very, very sensitive and with the tires, because New York, you can't avoid curb rashes. And as for a ride, like how it goes, it's actually pretty much close to the stock tires, and handling still the same. And actually it's a little bit better when it comes to handling. And other than that, it's the tires as well. It's whatchamacallit, why am I blanking out? So the tires are pretty much like all season. I was gonna get summer tires, but eventually I'm probably gonna replace it with a Firestone Goodyear, not Firestone, probably Goodyear, or the I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna look for a better tires, summer tires. And my stock ones, just in case you're wondering, I'm keeping it and probably gonna switch it out probably winter. So just to beat the crap out of it. And I know some of my subscribers are like, oh my god, there's no more the reflective ones. I actually kind of missed it too, but hey, that's what I'm building. But so far that's what I have, and I don't know what's next that I'm gonna do. I have a lot of stuff on my list, but I don't know yet. And so thanks for tuning in, guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your opinions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And actually, I'm gonna meet up with my friend Esrar. Probably know him, it's like Redline Mods or something. So I'm just gonna meet up with them, and I'll probably get a few clips, and see you guys in a few.